Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve Android WCAG captions violations. WCAG 1.2.2 titled Captions Prerecorded states that captions are provided for all prerecorded audio content in synchronized media, except for the case in which the synchronized media is an alternative for text content on the page. The intent of this success criterion is to enable people who are deaf or hard of hearing to be able to watch synchronized media content. Captions should not only include dialogue, but rather should also include other important information, such as who is speaking or meaningful sound effects. For more details on the specifics of WCAG captions violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and resolve an Android WCAG captions violation with the help of the Mesmer accessibility audit. But first, go ahead and enable captions on this video to see if we did our job. Here we have a captions violations. We can explore the screens containing this violation to immediately locate where this violation is contained within our mobile application. Now that we know where it's at, let's pull it up on our emulator so we can take a better look. From our emulator, let's try navigating to this page that contains a captions violation with the audio disabled. Well, I have no idea what he said. Let's go to the code to see if we can resolve this violation. From the XML file, we can see that this video is played using a video view, and from the Kotlin file, we can see where this is instantiated, but see that there is no caption file added to this video. We can try and resolve this violation by explicitly adding a file which contains captions for this video. Let's rebuild our application and take a look now. Now that we've added captions to our video, let's try watching the synchronous content with the audio turned off. Hey, it works! Awesome. And just like that, we resolved our Android WCAG captions violation. Have you checked out the Mesmer sidecar for accessibility? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.